Welcome to this tutorial how to set up an e-commerce store in 10 minutes. The aim of this tutorial is to keep it as easy as possible. We're going to show you how you can get an e-commerce store up and running for a very low cost. We are going to show you how you can use an application called OScommerce, which is actually free, it's open source, anyone can download it. It's very advanced and has a large support community. Okay, let's get going. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a look at a typical OScommerce store and how it works. Then in a couple of minutes we're going to take a look at the administration control panel where you set up the store. And last thing in the tutorial we're going to show you how you can install an OScommerce site in a few minutes. Right, let's get going. Right, so here we are to take a brief look at how a typical OScommerce store can look like. This is actually not a real store, it's a demonstration store and it has some demonstration products added to it. Obviously, at your own store you want to add your own logo up here, for example. Anyway, let's buy a product here. Let's see, the customer can write a review if they want to. If they're happy with it, they simply add it to the cart. The shopping cart automatically updates. Let's check out. If I'm a returning customer, I can fill in my email address and password to buy the product. If I'm a new customer, I can click continue, fill in my details and click continue to buy the product. Also, there's all sort of features here that the customer can find the product by category, manufacturers. She can search for it. There's a special deal section and many more features. Right, so next we're going to take a look at the administration control panel where you set up your shop. Alright, so here we are at the administrator login screen for your e-commerce store. And you get to the admin area by adding /admin at the end of your domain name. Okay, so let's log in. Right, so this is the first screen you see when you go into the admin area. You can see what we have one example customer here named John Doe. And here in the left menu we have all sorts of options. As I've said previously, OScommerce is a quite advanced e-commerce software, but it also is very easy to use. So the first thing I want to show you is how to actually add stuff to sell. So we'll click catalog, and the first thing we want to do is we want to add the manufacturer of the product we are selling. Here we can see we have some previous examples from previous demonstrations. We want to add a new manufacturer. So let's choose the manufacturer's name. Let's say we want to sell car equipment and this manufacturer is called Star. Here you can upload the logo of this manufacturer if you have one. Let's just choose an example here. Here we can add a link to the manufacturer, but I would not recommend that because it might lead away the customer from your site to the manufacturer. So let's not do that. Alright, click save. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is we want to add products for this manufacturer. So we click, first we create a new category. We call it car equipment. We'll upload image for this category and click save. Then we click the category and we add products to it. Click new product. Here we choose if we have it in stock, or if we don't have it in stock, we add the date when we have it. So we have this one in stock, let's pretend. We choose the manufacturer we added previously, Star. We choose the product name, let's call this brake light module. Here's if you want to sell in different languages, and if you don't want to do this, you can disable these other languages in the menu. I can show you how in a later tutorial. Right, the tax class, you also set up the tax options here in the left menu. So let's just call it taxable goods for now. Product price, will sell this for $100. Here's a description area. Let's just add some text for now. Here's a short description, right? Whatever. So, quantity, how much we have for this product, the model. Let's name this X1000. We'll upload the image of the this product. We won't add any links or weight, so let's preview this. Right, here we go, $100. Here's an image of it and a very, very short description. Okay, so the last thing we do is we click insert. And we have it now in this category. So let's check the store if it showed up. Let's go back to the main store. Right, so here we have the category car equipment, and we'll click it, and here we have the brake light modules for sale for $107. I guess some tax was added automatically. Alright, so that's it. It's that easy. Right. Right, so the last thing in the tutorial is we're going to show you how you can install an OScommerce site in a few minutes. The hard way is to download system files from oscommerce.org and find a host that is compatible with this software. That's actually quite complicated, and we said in the beginning that we wanted to keep to the simple path. So we're going to show you we're going to show you a host that allows you to pre-install OScommerce for free if you sign up for a hosting account with them. I know two offhand that allows this. The first one is called axahosting.com, and the second one is called hqwebhosting.com, I believe. We're going to show you the first one. Alright, so we go to this host. It's called, as I said, axohosting.com, axohosting.com, and it's very easy. I believe this is an American host. If you're European like me, you can actually choose them anyway, since they offer data center locations in Europe too. So what you do is you actually click in this box that says one-click installs, and you just click OScommerce. You confirm it again, get one-click installation of OScommerce. Yes. Alright. You choose a username for your web hosting account, whatever. Just type in something. Web hosting plan. If you're like me, you start with the cheapest one first, and then, if you're successful, you can always upgrade later on. So this one is about $6 a month, and it's paid on a yearly basis. I believe it said on the front page you get a 30-day trial period, so you can try this out for 30 days. Pre-installed script, OScommerce, yes. Choose a data center location. If you're American, you should naturally choose the one in California. If you're European like me, you can choose one in Europe. Domain name, I believe this account gives you a domain name for free if you sign up. So let's just think of a good name for your store. You fill in your details, and then you just click continue down here, and you should have your site up and running within a few minutes. You get an email with all the account details. At least I did. It was very hassle-free, so I can actually recommend this host. It's called axohosting.com. Right, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I wish you good luck with your business.